Hey Megan, what is your favorite thing on the menu right now?
My favorite thing on the menu right now is the scallop spaghettini.
Can you make it for me?
Yeah. So it's a thin noodle, similar to an angel hair. And we're gonna start by searing our scallops. So we're gonna need a really hot pan. Season these. I think the flavors just go so well together with the lemon zest on top, the fresh oregano, the leeks, the brown butter. It's just really nicely balanced. So we make our pasta fresh. It's pretty much every other day. It's a semolina based pasta. So it's got a little bit of like bite to it, which I really enjoy. This is our leek cream, brown butter. While it's reducing, I'm gonna drop our pasta. So leeks are an allium, so it's kind of like a garlic central flavor. Here's our spaghettini.